turn this way. Alright, well, we got a plane and a boat coming, so change it up. We're recording. I always get nervous around people. I'm losing my mind. Losing my mind. Okay, hold on. Let's try this again. I'll start from over here. What's up, everybody? Hold on, we got a helicopter. If it's coming this way. I really suck at this. I get nervous, as you can tell. I'm so nervous. And I'm also fat. What's up? Been gone for a few weeks. The 4Runner looks different, so that's cool. I got new wheels and tires. Well, the wheels are not new, but they were $300 off of Marketplace, so that's awesome. And the tires are not a name brand. They're the Patagonia All-Terrain R's. Yeah, they're cool. They're perfectly fine. I'm gonna see how they go. I mean, they're not. I didn't buy a name brand. I'm being cheap. I'm sorry. But yeah, I mean, I've been out at Folsom Lake. That's where I'm at right now. That's where I'm filming this. And they've been doing a pretty good job. I've been going over some rocks, some sand. Haven't gotten stuck yet, so that's good. And I haven't done the box. I'll show you guys that after this in just a little bit. But yeah, I just wanted to show off the new look. I also kind of buffed the paint. It's kind of dirty now. I literally just did it yesterday, and now I ruined it. So yeah, buffed out some of the scratches. She's still full of scratches and oxidizing, but looks better to me, so it's more shiny. Let's see what else. I've been fixing a few things. I also put a security box behind the driver's seat. I'll show you that soon. And also the box in the back is 95% done. I just have to put the little side panels on and, you know, carpet them. So yeah, I also put a seat cover on the passenger seat. I don't know if you guys have seen that yet, so I'll show that. I had that on my minivan before, so yeah, I'll show that to you. It's like a tactical storage kind of thing that you can put a bunch of stuff in. It has like racks on it and stuff. It's pretty cool. But this is the seat cover. You can see it. Hold on, let me open the back door. Maybe that makes it easier. Make some more light in here, maybe. Yeah, okay. I mean, it's better. But yeah, it's like it wraps around the bottom of the seat, the front of the seat, and all along the side right here. Got a little big shadow here, but I'll zoom in for you. So yeah, you got like little storage right here. This is cool. Yeah, it's got like little pockets right here. It's got all these racks on it, like these little straps that you can hook stuff onto. And it fits, I mean, it's snug to the seat. It stays on there really well. The straps around the seat work really well. The best part is the back feature. So this is really cool. We got like a pack here, got another one right here, and you can hook as much stuff as you want. I put my tire pressure, my gauge in here. When I'm not using it, I put it in the garage. But yeah, I use this one. I put up like a plastic bag right here. When I'm driving along, I have it in there, so it's like a little trash bag. So that's cool. I just empty it out, I unbuckle it, and I empty it out. Cool, right? Drawer shoots open, and I have the storage thing, and I can also lock it. So even if you find the switch or whatever, it'll be locked, so I won't have to worry about, you know, somebody opening it by accident or like that. So yeah, just locks up right in there, and it fits right underneath the driver's seat. So that's pretty cool. Did that. The 3 panels that go out front makes a full sleeping surface. The other 2 platforms stay tucked away right in there. So this is actually a full built box that I can take out of the truck. I can leave it in the garage, and then my 4Runner's totally back to normal. I have all the space that I need. So this is a drawer on this side. As you can see, a drawer that comes out. And then once I put it away, swing this around. Hold on. Okay, so yeah, I can swing this part, and then I can just tuck this one down like that. I still need to put like little tidbits in there, like locking nuts, so that way they don't move around as much. This side comes out like this. So this side comes out to be the camp stove right here, and then I can cook while being underneath the whole bottom half of the while being underneath the hatch. So that way, you know, I can be out of the rain and out of the elements. This part extends a little bit more, and it locks in place so it stays there. And I mean, I've had this in there for 2-3 weeks maybe, and the grill really only moves like this much on this rubber surface. I just stapled this down. It locks in. These panels are all done on the sides. You can see right there on both sides. It's screwed down to the top. I put like an outdoor carpet, and yeah, it's a fully efficient box that I can just take out, and I don't have to use it all the time when I'm not camping or when I'm not traveling. So it's really good to keep on hand. And then yeah, I just wanted to show it off, see the final product. I also have storage behind the back seats. So I folded the seats down. I do still need to take out the headrests because they stay in there. I can use them as like when I'm laying on the platform, I can use them as like to sit up on. But yeah, I still have storage here. A jacket, CDs, and let's see, oh, soccer ball fits all the way back there. I can use it for the camp chairs. That's what I was thinking. It's like perfect for that. And then the platforms sit right here on this edge, and they go fully across here. So that's the update. That's where the 4Runner's at. Looks pretty cool. The rear storage box is pretty much done. I got do a few things, but I just wanted to show you guys what I've been up to. I wanted to come out and test the tires and wheels out at Folsom Lake. That's where I'm at. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed, and like, comment, subscribe. Yeah, next week I'm really excited. We're also probably going up to Ice House. Probably gonna have the 4Runner. I'm gonna have my dad's 98 Tacoma, and we're also gonna probably be with a coworker in his 2-door Jeep. So hopefully I'll have all the film equipment and everything like that. I'll have all the cameras, and I'll be able to show you guys what we're up to. We're gonna go hopefully get stuck in some snow. Really stoked for that. So yeah, I'll check you guys later. That was better. Good job, Clay. You figured it out. You're not getting as nervous.